Alright, today we're going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. First, add a pinch of salt and then a teaspoon of baking soda. That's a teaspoon of salt too. Then 2 1/4 cups of flour. Mix this together in a small bowl. Now set this small bowl to the side and get a larger bowl. In this larger bowl, we'll add a 1/2 cup of margarine, 3/4 cup packed brown sugar. Don't mind my not so fresh brown sugar, I had to crumble it up. Still crumbling. Oh my. Also 3/4 of a cup of sugar. There's the butter. Alright, now a 1/2 cup of butter flavored Crisco. There it is. The recipe calls for a generous teaspoon of vanilla. I just put a splash or so in there. I like vanilla. Now cream this all up as best as you can. Don't mind my mixer, it's a piece of shit from Dollar General. There's that splash of vanilla. This recipe is from the Hudson, South Dakota cookbook. The recipe was wrote by Anita Hazel. So all props to her for some good cookies. One of these days I'll get the mixer going here. Just be patient. Mixing. This mixer is the largest pile of crap I've ever owned. The recipe will be down below in the comments or whatever you want to call it. She had to drop the camera. Alright, we got this somewhat mixed up with our joyously junky camera, or mixer. Now I add 2 large eggs. Mix them together well. Mixing and mixing and more mixing. Alright, it's all mixed up. Now we're going to start adding the flour mixture that we made earlier in a smaller bowl. After we scrape the sides of the bowl here. Get them eggs all mixed in there real good. Now we're adding the flour mixture. Get that mixed in very well as well. It's like a dust storm. Almost done mixing. Now, yeah. I didn't add the whole full 2 1/4 cups in the first bowl, so I'm adding the rest of it now. Now it's time for some chocolate chips. After we mix this a little more. Come on. Mix, mix, mix. Now it's time for chocolate chips. The recipe calls for 1 3/4 cup. But I use almost the whole bag because who doesn't like a lot of chocolate chips? Mix those in real good. A whisk doesn't work well. I gave up on my shitty blender or mixer. So we tried a whisk, but that didn't work very well. So just mix it in with a spoon.